Hey everybody, I'm Julia Gonzales. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're in Lima, Peru. Oh, gosh, I love this beautiful city, and we're diving into one of the city's most iconic dishes. That's right, the ceviche. Now in Lima, there's no shortage of great spots to get ceviche. However, we're going to the spot that the locals say is the best. We're gonna try a couple different styles, and we're gonna show you why this is the standout spot. So let's dig in.
We're jumping into an Uber, but on our way, it's impossible not to think about how deep ceviche runs in Peruvian culture. Ceviche isn't just Peru's national dish, it's part of its soul. Made with fresh fish cured in lime, red onion, kissed with ají chili, it's bright, zesty, bold, and full of flavor. Every region has its own twist, but what makes it special here in Lima is the freshness. Caught that morning, served that afternoon. For Peruvians, ceviche isn't just food, it's pride on a plate, a reflection of their coast, their culture, and their passion for good flavor. And if you've never had it before, Lima is the place to try it. So when in Lima, La Mar is the best choice for ceviche. La Mar isn't just popular with locals, it's been officially named the best place for ceviche in Lima, earning the prestigious Simón Award. Under the guidance of everyone's favorite chef, Gastón Acurio, La Mar's menu pays homage to ceviche, the sea, and those who make it possible.
So we thought we would be the first ones because we tried to get here early, but we were not, and that's okay. We were not the first ones, and there's always a line. But the key to coming here, if you really want to get in, is you need to come when they first open, because they don't take reservations. So if you're on a tight schedule, which a lot of people come for like Cusco, or they're catching a flight out. So it's important that you come when they open. All right, so this is the classic ceviche. Oh, it looks amazing. Comes with the Peruvian corn, see the red onions, sweet potatoes. I have been waiting for this. I cannot wait. And I'm just like, oh, I just want to dig in. Now, I typically use a fork to eat my ceviche. But you can use a spoon as well. I'll probably try both, see what I like. Oh, thank you. Thank you, gracias. All right, let's do a cheers real quick. Our drinks came. Of course, when you're having ceviche, you gotta have a pisco sour. Oh. That is the spot. Be careful with the pisco sours. They are very strong, but they're absolutely delicious. All right, so here we go. It's so good. It's so tangy. It's so limey. It's so refreshing. It tastes like the sea. And here's the thing, there's just nothing like ceviche in Peru. It's the best, and it's the most amazing. All right, so that's the pork. I'm gonna try this spoon thing. But people have said, why don't you use a spoon? I'm like, well, I've always just eaten it with a fork. So I'm gonna try it with a spoon. I'm gonna get a lot of the leche de tigre. Okay, I see the point. Yeah, you get a lot more of the tiger's milk. And man, it is just so tangy and refreshing. Oh my God. My husband's staring at me like, will you just shut up so I can have some? So I gotta give him some. We're gonna go on to the next. So this one here is the sea urchin. So typically when you have like a sea urchin like added to a ceviche or a fish dish, it's usually just like a small amount, and it's absolutely delicious. But it seems so like delicate. So that they give you this much sea urchin is bonkers to me. But let me try to put it on a spoon, and I'll show you how big this sea urchin is. Look at that. Look how big that sea urchin is. And there's just a ton of them here. So here we go. I'm using the spoon. Got all the juices, the onions, the sea urchin. I shouldn't say juice, I should say the sauce or the milk or the leche de tigre. let me use the proper terminology here.
Carlitos.
Holy cow. You want to talk about tastes like the sea? That's the sea urchin. It literally just like melts away in your mouth and you want to die. You want to die and go to heaven. That is so This is going to be hard to share because I want it all. I mean, it's so good. The red onion's like finely diced, so you get a little bit of crunchiness, but then the sea urchin just melts. It literally melts away in your mouth. That's amazing. Just stop right now. You're gonna die. That's so good. All right, so the third ceviche that we got is completely new to me. I've never had this before. This is black clams. It looks like a black clam soup. It is these huge black clams. Let me see if I can show this to you. See? I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I honestly don't know. I've never had it before. It's not, there you go. Can you see it? I'm gonna get a little bit more of like the leche de tigre. All right, here we go. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I've never had this before. Clam's good too. Here, let me just try to get the clam. Wow. It's like a little more sour than what you're used to with a mixed ceviche. I mean, the sea urchin's very light, but this is more like punchy in flavor. I mean, I feel like I could add like some of these plantain chips to it and like just scoop it all up. So good. Okay. This gets me so excited. I'm so happy right now. I'm like over the moon. My 8th time coming to Lima. My first time having black clam ceviche at the best ceviche spot in Lima. I mean, does it get any better?
Maybe in the world.
Yeah, maybe in the world. I don't know. I don't get to make the rules. I just get to come here and try this. It makes me so happy. What, you think we would just leave on 3 plates of ceviche? No! Because we need to get the fried fish, and that is this gorgeous Hialeah dish. I always want to say Hialeah because we're from Miami. Hialeah. So it is just all the seafood fried. You've got scallops, you've got shrimp, you've got white fish, you've got the fried yuca, calamari, and then you have like these dips and seaweed. They fry the seaweed.
You grab them from the sea, they bring it here.
Yeah. When that guy in New York gave Harold the seaweed and he was like, here, you know, no. We don't do it in New York, but we definitely eat it here. Not it. All right. I mean, it's just amazingness. Oh, that's a squid, calamari. And then you put it in the dip. And then you enjoy.
Grab one of this. Enjoy it.
So this is a fried scallop. See how it was like the whole thing was fried? Take this out. Oh wait, yeah, it's a scallop. Holy crap, that's really good. Wow. It's actually amazing that you're not getting a lot of, like the fry is very clean because you're tasting more of the scallop than you are of the frying, which is a testament to how wonderful this place is because you would usually just taste the fry, and that's amazing. Can I try this? This is the, oh, look at that. I'm going to dip it in this sauce. I don't know if I should, but I'm going to. That sauce is spicy, but it's delicious. And then these big, these pieces of yuca, all just fried. Ooh. Octopus, look. This gets me excited. Does this get you excited? I'm excited.
Some fish.
Oh yeah, I thought that. Okay, and the fish. Oh, it's so tender. It's just falling apart. I'm sorry, I'm using my hands, but I don't really know besides like a fork how to use this. But I feel like if you're excited and you're enjoying your food and it's delicious, then who cares how you eat it? Because it's just about enjoyment. That's what it's about. Lamar, this is why you are the best. You are the best. Amazing. Great job.
If it's the best in Lima, it's the best in the world.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. If it's the best in Lima, because, well, this is where they do ceviche, then it's the best in the world. I love it. Okay, the ceviche at Lamar, absolutely delicious. But like I said before, there's no shortage of delicious ceviche here in Lima. And I've got a ton of other videos that show you just that. So if you want to check them out, they're linked in the description below. I have a full playlist. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe button because we have more food, more travel, more adventure coming your way. We'll see you on the next video.
If you're enjoying this video, make sure to stick around for the next one. We're exploring two of our favorite districts here in Lima, Miraflores and Barranco. We'll take you around for a full day of sights, street art, ocean views, and of course, more amazing food. Plus, we'll break down how much it really costs to spend a day in Lima. Don't want to miss it.